This grilled bruschetta chicken recipe is an easy way to add pizzazz to plain chicken. I've placed a large sheet of heavy-duty foil over half of the barbecue. It's a great way to prevent ingredients from falling through the grill. Then preheat your grill to medium. Now I'm placing 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts into a resealable plastic bag. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Kraft sun-dried tomato dressing. Seal the bag and turn it several times to evenly coat the chicken. Then put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Remove the chicken from the bag and place on the uncovered side of the grill. Now be sure to discard the bag and the marinade. Then close the lid and grill for 6 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm combining the remaining salad dressing, 1 finely chopped tomato, some Kraft shredded cheese, and a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh basil. This is so pretty looking. I love using the ripe summer tomatoes from my garden. They're perfect for this recipe. Turn the chicken over and place it cooked side up on the foil. Spoon on the bruschetta topping. Just spoon a little bit on top of each chicken breast. Now you can see how the foil comes in handy. You don't lose any of this flavorful bruschetta topping. Close the lid and grill for another 8 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through to a temperature of 170 degrees. Give your chicken an Italian-inspired twist with this simple recipe. It's perfect for entertaining or every day. For more great recipes and tips, visit our website's Grilling Center or search keyword grilling.